All right, welcome my fast folks to your Sunday, February 20th workout explanation. You'll find that there's going to be a common thread between your workouts for the remainder of this month into the beginning of March. And heck, you're going to see kind of that same pattern happening at your Tuesday track workouts as well. But that pattern basically goes back and forth to two similar workouts, but one has passive rest, right, which we did last week during your 2-mile tempo workouts, and more of an active recovery, which we will do this week in our first attempt at a stacker workout. So what is a stacker workout? A stacker workout basically breaks your run down into half-mile increments. You'll have a half mile that's in an up-tempo way, followed directly or continuously into a half mile of more of a recovery standpoint. Now, all of us are going to warm up for 10 minutes, of course, and all of us are going to do our drills. Our 10K folks are going to do a 2-mile stacker, a half, a 4, our full marathoners a 6, and depending on what distance that you follow is going to be the difference slightly in the intensities that you're going to do. Let's talk about your 10K fast folks first. Your up-tempo half mile is going to be at 5K pace, and that's going to be the first interval right out of the gate. So after your warm-up and drills, you're going to start right at your half-mile pace for half mile, and then you're going to go into long run pace for a half mile. You're going to repeat that one more time for a series of 2 and 2 miles, and then you'll cool down, and you are done. My half and full marathoners, you guys are going to warm up for 10 minutes. You guys are going to do your drills, and then when it's time to say ready, set, go, you guys are going to come out of the gates at 10K pace, and then you're going to recover at your half or full marathon race pace, relatively speaking, of course. Right? Half marathoners, you're going to do that for a series of 4 miles. Marathoners, you guys are 6. You're going to cool down for 10 minutes, and then off you go. So active recovery, all right, again, is trying to teach your body to recover in a more stressful type of environment. And heck, if we can recover in an environment that is close to our race pace, we will be cooking with some fire when it comes down to our race itself. Now, let me be very direct when I say, if this workout is not going your way, changing your recovery pace is not the answer, meaning that you go out of the gates and your 10K pace is on, but you're having a really hard time maintaining your race pace during your after recovery. If you see that once, maybe you see that twice, you need to make the change. And the change does not come into slowing down your race pace. The change comes in the form of being a little less aggressive during your 10K or 5K portion of the up tempo, okay? We really need to make sure that your recovery paces stay at long run if you guys are 10K folks, and race pace if you guys are half or full marathon folks. Okay, Barb will be your site leader. I would really like for you guys to plug your Garmin into half-mile increments or Strava or whatever that you guys could do. You can set an interval workout, or you can just change your laps for the day. That way I can see the half-mile laps, screenshot it, send it my way, and that way we can keep it on record. I have been watching you guys. All right, if you guys have any questions, please let me know.